my time, you are one.
Hello, financial warriors. Welcome to the inaugural episode of the Trading Supergirl. Here I am to empower you with the latest and the most impactful insights into the world of the stocks and cryptocurrencies. Whether you're tuning in from the United States or any other part of the world, this channel will be your ultimate guide to navigate through the volatile markets. In this power-packed episode, I'll be able to dissect the latest market movements, dive into the US economic data, and explore how political maneuvering, regulatory shifts, and the crypto developments are shaking up the financial landscape. If you're ready to supercharge your trading game, let's dive in. Also, do not forget to smash that like button, subscribe button, and join our community of the savvy investors. So let's conquer it together. So we can see over here that the market seemed to be a bit slow. The S&P has made a change of about 0.04 and FTSE as usual in red. This thing is never going up. Is it going up, guys? And look at this, my favorite, NASDAQ. It's at 0.01. And we can see over here, after Trump's comments, the crude oil has gone into the red category because yesterday at Davos he mentioned that he would like to see the oil prices go down, and that is indeed a very good thing for us all. If the oil prices go down, they translate into overall lower inflation, better disposable incomes for all of us, better investment opportunities too. Oil prices go down, people get more money in their pockets to invest in the markets. Let's look at this. This is the crypto market data, and we can see that the Bitcoin is 0.24% up. So is Ethereum, whereas the XRP is just a bit down. But no worries about the XRP, guys. Just because XRP is slightly down, and all what we know so far is that Trump is yet to sign the clear orders regarding utilization of the XRP. So we've got plenty of room for this thing to go up. The cases still need to be dropped. But yes, let's see what happens here. Solana is top gainer over here, which is around 4%. BNB down, Dogecoin is slightly up. Okay, and that's about these markets. Now we can see the most trending stocks over here. Which of these are okay, and let's see what we have here. So looking at these stocks, guys, look at that. There are gainers such as this Petron Motor Power System has gone up by 100%. We're not looking at these things. We are just going to look at the market data now on the market beat, and let's see what the top analysis over here. Interesting. So we've got Alcoa, where the price target has been increased to 58. Its current price is at 37%, and that's a huge room for buying. The target has been raised by Bank of America. And guys, this is very important that we can do researches like this, and we can see if a certain equity is far from its target to be achieved. Later on we can wait for the quarterly results and see if it reaches the price target, and that will be something really good. And what is the price target for Apple? We see Apple has got a new price target over here, 256, and it's currently trading at 223. So this might be an interesting buy with at least a 10% room to go up, 10 to 15%. Albertsons and Companies is 26 and currently trading at $19. Alaska Air. I'm not much of an airlines person. I see that this has got Alaska Air Group has been given the target by TD Cowen, and its new price target is around at $85. whereas it's currently trading at $70. What should I say here? It just takes one air crash for the entire sector to go down. So I do think that there's a heavy risk, especially with companies like AAL, and just yesterday, I think Delta Airlines and the American Airlines, they both experienced like 10% drop. So this is something that I will actually be aware of. Not really up for this kind of risk at this stage. American Express. So, I mean, I'll just simplify it for you guys. Let's just look at the known names, because that is something that we all know we want to invest in, and that is something that's going to be good for us all. If we go for the companies that are known to us, easier for you, less risk for you, and something very good, and it can easily give you like 4 to 5% pump within a week or maybe a month. So if you're, say, investing around $1,000 or something, you'll be able to make around $50 or $100, which is good for us. So yeah, let's look at the companies that are blue chips and low risk as well. The beta is slightly lower. Yeah, American Express, great future ahead for this American Express. The interest rates are probably going to go down because that's what Trump is looking forward to. So the price target for American Express has been raised to 270 from 266. But the thing is that it's already trading at 316, it's already at. So that means we're not going to get into it. It's already oversaturated. We are not going to touch a company which is already overbought. Boeing, again, something that I do not really like to go for. Boeing, it takes just one plane crash, one wrong story, and it's all gone. Bath and Body Works. Do you think it has a great future? Well, if there is a lot of disposable income in people's hands, then maybe Bath and Body Works will work. But if it doesn't, then Bright Horizons Family Solutions target has been lowered from 148 to 130 and 15. And to be honest, like, I was about to put my child into Bright Horizons, and I thought about it, and then really there must be a strong reason behind this. Why is this Bright Horizons Family Solutions gone down? BYD. CBRE is a property group, and it has been downgraded to 152. It's already trading at 141. Well, if the interest rates go down, CBRE might be one of the good picks. Let's look at the rest of these companies. Domino's Pizzas is underweight always. Duolingo, I think it's a Chinese company, and let's see what we're looking at now. So we're looking at Foot Locker. Foot Locker has been assigned a target of 23. I think, yeah, but not for, in general, like, I will not pick a company like Foot Locker because it's quite cyclical in demand. Non-cyclical in demand. However, it has got strong competitors like Nike and Adidas. And if you look at, well, Foot Locker is not a luxury brand, but there are plenty of shoemakers out there who are a luxury brand, and I don't know, like, I would rather pick a brand that is more mainstream and high in demand. Foot Locker is something that is not very desirable for me at this age. Kellogg's target has been lowered. Kroger, MasterCard target raised. And now we see PepsiCo. PepsiCo is somewhere around like 165 and 183. What do you say, guys? Which one do you like more, Coca-Cola or Pepsi? I think I am up for more like a Coca-Cola rather than a Pepsi, because Pepsi is a bit sweeter side and Coke is stronger. It's good. Oh no, I've never invested in stocks like Starbucks or KFC or McDonald's or Pepsi or Coca-Cola. TWLO has recently increased. It's trading 22% up, because look at that amount of price targets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 price targets by William Blair, Wells Fargo, UBS. If you want to look, I like to see this kind of a company, like, where there are at least 6 to 7 price targets, which are generated, and when there is a company, this thing, that when there is a company that has got 6 to 8 price targets, and that is the company that you want to go for. So we'll just pick up this ticker symbol over here, TWLO, and we're just gonna put this over here, and let's see how it has been. Loading chart. Let's see how it has been. We'll just put up some analysis for this little turd. All. Okay, it's far away from where it used to trade in 2021. So it was trading at somewhere around like 400 or something, and now it's trading at just 100. What's happening here? Let's see, guys. It says well, there are no strong buys, but today there was at least 13 buy side consensus, where 9 of them say hold and 2 of them say no. It is moving into the greener category, where the TWLO has got quite a few competitors like Datadog, Snow, TTD, Team, Net, Roblox, Hubs, and Wit. Well, I do remember Datadog to be quite a strong company. We can do a comparative analysis about it, and we can see over here that this is this MNS ad, man. We're just going to export all of this to Excel, and we'll see how it goes from there. I just want to see a detailed analysis of what it was, how it was performing, what the financials were like when it was around $400 mark in 2021, because that will be very important for us to see how this thing has been trading and what brought this company down. Was it just the change of the president that has brought this company up and down so far? Okie dokie. So let's see. The operating revenue in 2021 was 2841, whereas now it's 4,000. That's like massive. It's almost doubled up in value, but for some reason it was Well, the operating income is nearly the same. It had gone down drastically in 2022, and now year on year it's back again. Let's put up the quarterly analysis instead of the uh, okay, it's not allowing me to um, let's do the annual analysis. That will be just good enough for today's video. So we can see that the operating expenses are have gone significantly up from 2021. They have gone up nearly by 400 million, which is okay. The other operating income has gone down a bit. Net income has also gone down, and the basic earning per share has also is most likely the same. And let's see what has brought TWLO up. So okay, TWLO has been soaring on Friday the 24th of Jan after unveiling a new multi-year target for 2025. Where is it? The company has seen the revenue growth accelerate past the post-pandemic sluggishness. Despite a history of past over-promising, current guidance appears achievable with multi-targets, including 21% to 22% on the non-GAAP operating margins by 2027. This stock is up from the big lows, but staying long here. TWLO has been the main winner for the tech over the past year. While it's a visible example of value investing gone right, it also illustrates how much patience one may need while employing the patience. The stock has soared very recently due to the optimistic targets that have been laid out by the investors day. So the company has made great progress on the margins and now is on the cusp of sustained things. Well, let's look at the price targets once again, the price targets that have been assigned to this company. So they're saying, okay, all of those price targets that have come from the range of $50 to about $150 at the max. So we've got $50 and then $150 at the max, and then this is trading at around $140, $138. The ceiling of this particular stock is around $400 in 2021, and the financials are pretty much in line with what was going on in 2021, apart from the revelation of the new plans that this company has. I will definitely suggest for this stock to be invested in. But anyway, the thing is that we need to wait for a retracement. This is already quite high up, and let me see it somewhere better. Let's see it on one of these trading platforms. It will be good if I can log into one of the trading platforms and then see this for TWLO, and we can see here that this is the max levels. This is where it was $30 or something like that, but this is the chart where we can see that Where is the chart? Okay, so yeah, this is the resistance level 145, 142, and here is where it is sort of like retracing as well. What we can see over here is the next resistance point for this particular stock is going to be here. $150, and then after that it's going to be 242. But guys, it won't reach 242 just today, just tonight. It's not going to be like that. But yeah, within this Trump era, the era of trading, again, it's definitely going to go for 400 or something like that. Depends on the company goals as well. So I'm all up for it, and I think I do suggest that you guys, if you guys want to go ahead with it, it's all entirely your own call. But yeah, I'll be excited to sort of like jump onto it. It would have been best if we would have jumped around $40 or something like that. And this was in October, 28th of October. That is the time when Trump won the election. All of the Trump companies, all of the Trump loads went up like crazy. Let's look at the DJT stock today. This is trading at 34. Well, I would definitely advise for TWLO because it looks like a good company. It looks like a lot of analysts have scored big targets on it, and I would definitely advise for something like Datadog. Keep an eye on those companies that were there in 2021. They're quite active, and they are not on the radar at this stage, but they're definitely going to be. So yeah, that is about it for today, and I'm just gonna take a look at these things again. Let's see what else do we have that we can make a discussion for. So we see, so interesting. There are 3 price targets assigned to Verizon Communications, and the target is for $42 to $51. This will be something that we can keep on our radar. We can definitely save a call on this. Verizon Communications for $42. And then let's look at any other company that is being given multiple targets today. So I think Verizon Communication is something good. Yeah, Union Pacific has been given at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 price targets. So this looks interesting. UDR, Union Pacific, and then the UDR Texas Instruments. Texas Instruments have been one of my favorite companies for a very long time. It hasn't been given a buy target actually. It's buy or equal weight or neutral. So yeah, TWLO was the best one for this. This is interesting, guys. The market is getting interesting back into action again. SLM price target has been raised. Let's keep an eye on SLM XXL stock, which is also around $32, and we are definitely going to keep our eye on this stock too, just because it has got 3 price targets. And when something gets 3 price targets in a go, I assume that after like a couple of days there's going to be a shower of more price targets on all of that again. OSI, not a very popular one. Netflix again upgraded to 1200. Why not? A couple of more Netflix series and it's gonna bang the ceiling of the earth. Mid-American Apartment Communities, MAA. I don't think it's a tradable one on my platform, so I'm not up for it really. But yeah, I think the top 4 picks for our today's discussion were Verizon Communications, Union Pacific, Texas Instruments, SLM, and TWLO. So these are the 4 picks on which we are keeping an eye. Well, guys, the thing is that TWLO has been assigned the price target already, so I'm not up for like getting into it unless it retraces a bit, and we can see from here how much can it retrace to. Let's go on the daily chart and see if this thing can come back for a gap covering over here to 110. And it is quite likely that, you know, sometimes it just does happen. There's a bad trading day and then this stock keeps gapping downwards. Well, it has gapped up today, and we can see that there have been a couple of good investments in that. So yeah, I mean, when there's institutional investment or what, so you know, there's no chance of the stock like sort of like going downwards again for the gap covering, but sometimes it is the case. So the gap covering does happen. It won't happen today, it won't happen like in a week or something like that, but it might happen in a month or two. That might go down for the gap covering part, and we can be careful right around the time when this particular stock has the sort of like the quarterly results, or there's something that comes out from the company. Then it will be an important pick at that stage. So yeah, let's look at more stocks if anything can be. Oh, GE is overweight and buy. I'd like to see what Jim Cramer says about this stock, GE, General Electric. Well, there are tons of things. It's a conglomerate and it's just not into one single product. So yeah, might be interesting to see how it goes. So yeah, guys, that's about it. I've told you my 5 picks from today. So the 5 picks that I've done today are Verizon Comms, Union Pacific, Texas Instrument, SLM, and TWLO. Today we did analyze TWLO a bit, but in my next video, which might come out today or tomorrow or whenever, I will try to bring a solid analysis for Verizon Comms, Union Pacific, Texan, and XXL. And I'll try to put up solid reasons of why I would like to jump into the stock or not. And you guys can, of course, make your decision based off of on that, or maybe your own research as well. Maybe like have a mix of opinions or whatever, and then see how it goes. So yes, guys, it has been an interesting day for me, and just like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe whatever my page is, the Trading Supergirl. And then yeah, just a minor discussion about the crypto market. I would like to see if there is some kind of like executive order that comes out from Trump's office for the payment systems and the payment gateways. We can have a detailed discussion around the crypto market in for one of my following videos, and you can see how it goes. So yeah, we'll be able to make a wider discussion, because I don't want to discuss the crypto market today, because I just want to see how the things are, how my first video goes, and I really didn't plan it this way. It has gone like this, like, you know, I just started to look at the market beat and I started to see where the price targets came from. So I think it has it's gone into certain direction, and we should just keep it that way for this video. For the next video, I'll upload the details on my 5 top stock picks and what other things I'm going to keep an eye on, or how you know, the picks can be around the quarterly releases. that, and then the following video will be on the crypto market as well. So yeah, I just want to like publish a video on the crypto market whenever there's going to be close to the big days, and I think there's still some room left for the news to come out. So let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so thank you for keeping yourself and here and listening to all of these things that I've said. Be back at my channel, and it'll be lovely to see you all again. Bye bye.